along with me on this journey of styling short, very short 4C hair. Hey y'all, it's me. So starting off with this Miss Jessie, the kids, sassy something conditioner. So we starting out with some water on my hair. As you can see, my hair is super, super dry. So I hadn't done my hair in about 3 weeks. Every time I go get my hair done at the hairstylist, I let that thing last 2 to 3 weeks and I don't touch it. I don't do a daggone thing. So my hair was dried in the Sahara Desert, which I want to go to one day. That's on my bucket list. So I put a lot of conditioner in my hair just to soften up the curls and get them popping. I was like, ooh, would I look good with a slick back? I was just trying to figure it out. You know, why you got product in your hair. Your hair tends to do more things, okay? So it was slicking back. I said, I wonder how that would look. Anyways, so once I condition my hair, go ahead and put a little towel on it. Once I take the towel off, I'm like, oh my God, like, what am I about to do with this short hair? Okay, because I cut my hair again at the end of July. I just be going crazy cutting my hair. Cut and colored my hair at the end of July. I was going for like a honey blonde, but this is more of like a bright ginger. Anyways, to start off the process of not knowing what I'm about to do with my hair, I at least start with separating the longer part with the shorter part, okay? So like in the middle of my head, I decided to part just through the middle of the head. Okay, we just starting there. Let's do some division. That's what I said, division. Because I know with the back, they ain't too much to do because it's so daggone short. Oh, Lord, y'all. Having short voice hair. It's no joke. So sometimes you got to sing your way through it. So I'm using this extreme hair gel to curl the back of my hair. So I said, let's just put a whole bunch of gel back there because we know it's dry. And let's let the gel do its thing with curling the hair. As you can see, the curls already start to pop with me just using my hands, putting the product on and giving it a little motion, running the product through the hair from the scalp to the roots and also doing a little curling with my hand. Then I come in with my very fake small Denman brush, okay? This Denman brush be getting my curls on and popping. It gets them on and popping. Ooh. I was like, okay, we making some progress. At least the back of the hair is going to be done, okay? So now I'm like, let's attack the front. So I go in with my olive oil, my heat protectant with grapeseed oil. It smells so good, y'all. It smells so freaking good. And I was like, all right, we know for starters, we need to blow out this hair so that there's some more length because it ain't too much length to the front and the front's longer than the back, but it really ain't too much length. And at this point, I'm just like, girl, why did you decide to cut your hair that short again? If you know maintenance ain't your thing with like short hair, why'd you do that? Because at the moment it was good for me. It's summertime. I was getting ready to do a music festival for my brand Shaded by Soso. Make sure you follow Shaded by Soso on Instagram and shop shadedbysoso.com for your stylish protective eyewear line. This is cute and all, but I need my hair to start growing because I don't know, guys. I really don't know. So back to this music festival that I was doing for Shaded by Soso. It's my first time ever doing a big music festival like that for the brand Shaded by Soso. So I was like, oh my God, I don't have time to think about my hair. Just cut it off and color it. And then that's what happened. And now look at me trying to figure out a style. I'm like, ooh, well, what if I slick the front back and then I got the curls popping in the back? And I said, let me brush the side so I can really get the vision of what I think this hair could look like. But then I was like, girl, you ain't even got a headband. You ain't got nothing to hold it back. And if you try to do bobby pins, that just ain't gonna work. That is not gonna work. So I said, all right, let's get ready to twist this hair. So I started off by sectioning the hair. As y'all can see, look at my roots, they're growing in. So what I'm excited for is like an ombre color with my hair. Also, we're going into fall season, so I don't even know. I might color my hair again. I'm one of them people. Anyways, for my scalp, I put some Blue Magic on my scalp so it's not super, super dry and flaky. You know what I mean? Because you know I'm going to keep this styling for at least 2 to 3 weeks. So I was like, okay, let's start off by sectioning the hair into smaller pieces because we got to get these twists together. And I got these nails on, so I was just like, I don't know what's about to happen, but what we're going to do is since we're here, we're going to experiment. And here we are, experimenting. I think in life we forget that it's never too late. It's never too early to start experimenting with things like me experimenting with this hairstyle. I have no clue how this is going to turn out on this very short 4C hair that I decided to bless myself with, let's say, okay? And I said, you know what? Just do what you know how to do. You know how to do some twists, so we gonna twist the hair. And at this point, I'm actually really nervous. I'm like, what in the world is going on? But we just gonna see because life is about trial and error. I'm gonna just go to sleep and we're gonna come back the next day. So as you can see, actually this ain't even the next day. This is actually 2 days later. As you can see, the curls is mashed down in the back of my head. You know, I be sleeping how I be sleeping. So all it takes is water to revive the curls. Water, and then you see me using my fingers to manipulate the curls. That's all it takes. And then I'm brushing my sides down and some places in the back of my head where the curls ain't existent. I'm like, what's that in my hair? Get that out of here, okay? So I'm like, okay, the curls is curling, so let's get to the front of this hair. So I have I think is that the Aunt Jackie's Frizz Patrol? I'll write it somewhere. The Frizz Patrol Foaming Mousse. I'm like, let me use some product to take out these twists. And I'm going to take them out slowly. And we're going to see what we're going to get. Now, when my hair was longer, y'all, I used to love a good old twist out. That was definitely my go-to style because it just brought out the curls for the girls, okay? Now, all the twists are out. And I'm like, oh, okay.
I literally don't know what to do. Okay. So,
I don't know. I'm trying. Anyways, y'all, then I was like, let me separate the curls. Maybe that will, make my hair look a little bit more thick. Okay, thick. And I'm like, okay. Sometimes you got to manipulate the curls and make them do what you want them to do. So spend some time doing that, trying to figure it out. I was really lost in the sauce. Also, I had a shoot for Shaded by So in about an hour. So I was really like, girl, you got to figure something out. So I'm like, just keep playing with the hair to get it like all together so that there were no gaps. And this is what we have, y'all. I was like, okay. Once I put my earrings on, put my dress on, I was like, okay, now we can fully see the vision. So a lesson here is sometimes you can't see the vision until you can see the vision, but you don't really know how the vision gonna come out until you put everything on. So go ahead and put that thing on. So now I'm using some edge control. Now I do not know how to slick my edges, but one thing I can do is push some edges back. That is what I can do for a slick look. So I was like, okay, let me get a little bit of edge control, my little baby brush, and slick some of them edges back. Maybe that'll give it like a cleaner look. How would I rate this hairstyle? I would rate this hairstyle on a scale of 1 to 10. I would give it like a 6.82. But since it's all I know how to do, I'll definitely be doing it again because I ain't got too many options. Thank you all so much for coming along with me on this journey of styling my very short 4C hair. I hope you learned something about me and make sure you subscribe to my channel for more content. Peace.